Ubla Lotak, Kanoit busy. Today is Monday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Last week, we focused on three important words: impact, affect, and effect. Do you guys remember that we talked about that? Let's do a quick review. Impact is when we ask, what impact did this person have on the other person, or how did this situation impact one person? Affect is when we talk about how was one affected, and effect is what effect did he had on a particular situation. So all these words have one thing in common, that it has to do with change, either change in perspective, change in thought, or change in viewpoints. For younger kids, look at this picture carefully. What do you think what's happening here? What do you observe? Do you think the boy is crying? Do you think he's scared? No. Do you think he's enjoying skiing? Discuss in your circle what's happening here and what do you observe. And also talk a little bit about how this little boy is impacted. And for our older kids, talk deeper into what impact do you think this little boy, or what impact do you think this older man, what impact does this older man has on this little boy? Do you think it made a difference for this little boy that this guy was with him? What's your perspective on it? Please discuss in your circle and have an amazing share out. I hope you all have a wonderful day today. Happy learning.